Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up disappearing status in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages and teammates. From here, we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the little icon like this. And here in the middle, we find update your status. If we tap on this, then here we can add our status, which could be one of these predefined status messages, or we can just add our own. But here under this bar, we find clear after or don't clear. And here we can set after how much time does this status clear. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.